What's going on, everyone? Brian here from Native Instruments. In this video, we're going to be covering Kontakt Player, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to get started making music. Whether you're brand new to Kontakt or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's talk about the differences. Kontakt Player is a free version that allows you to load and play libraries that are officially licensed for player use. All Kontakt libraries from Native Instruments work on Kontakt Player, and libraries from other companies will indicate if it works with the player or not. The full version of Kontakt lets you load all Kontakt libraries, including third-party and user-created ones. It also has deep editing tools for sound design and instrument creation. The free Kontakt Player is included with our free Complete Start bundle, which includes libraries like the Kontakt Factory Selection 2, Analog Dreams, Jacob Collier Audience Choir, and many others. Kontakt Player also includes tools and Leap, which we'll cover later. To install Kontakt Player, you'll need Native Access, which is Native Instruments Software Manager. Just log into your account, find Kontakt Player, and then click the Install button. Next, you can install your instrument libraries the same way. Now, if you're tight on space, you can also store them on an external hard drive. This keeps all of your internal storage free for other projects. Now that we've installed Kontakt Player, let's load it into a DAW. In whatever DAW that you're using, find Kontakt 8 in your plugins list and then drag it or add it to an instrument track. Once you've added it, the Kontakts browser will automatically open. With Kontakt Player open, this is where you're going to be finding all of your instruments and sounds. Kontakt 8 automatically comes installed with Piano Uno, which is a basic but great sounding piano to get you started. All of the presets on the right also include audio previews, which you can turn off here. Clicking on any of these presets, you're going to be hearing an audio preview of what this specific preset sounds like. Once you've made your selection, just double-click on the preset to load it. Every instrument's different, but you can use the knobs to start customizing the sound. If you want to change whatever instrument or preset you're using, you can use the browser on the left to do so. If you did install more instruments with Native Access, you'll see in the browser that you have access to many more instruments. From here, you can use certain things like sound type and character to filter for the type of preset that you're looking for. You can say I'm looking for a clean sound, and you can also individually select a product. The real fun begins when you start layering multiple sounds together. I can go to the browser and select something like Jacob Collier's Audience Choir and layer this on top of Analog Dreams, so when I play the keys, you're going to hear both instruments played simultaneously. On the top left, you can do certain things like adjust the pan settings or adjust the volume per instrument. Just for fun, let's add in a third instrument here from Haifa. And now we have three sounds layered together. Let's talk about tools. Tools are built-in functions that add a completely new layer of creative features and work with any Kontakt instrument. Create new ideas for harmonic foundations with chords and phrases, or craft intricate, evolving melodies with patterns, an arpeggiator and polyphonic step sequencer hybrid. All you have to do is load up any Kontakt instrument and then click here to open tools. You can select from chords, patterns, or phrases, and select from the long list of presets. You can also go back to the library browser, click on Combined, and then select Show Tool Enhanced Only, which will only show you instrument presets which are combined with any of the tools. Finally, let's look at Leap. a powerful feature in Kontakt that allows for quick playback of loops and one-shots. Kontakt 8 Player comes already installed with the Leap expansion Lo-Fi Vibes, and with Complete Start, you also get acoustic drums. Each Leap expansion has kits which you can load and use. Select the quantized rate and start playback in your DAW, and all of the loops will be triggered on beat. The white keys trigger the loops in one-shots, while the black keys are used for performance effects like gator or stutter effects, and the knobs above are for further customizing the sound with additional effects. If you also have any expansions, you can access them here and drag them into any of the Leap slots, customize the settings, or even just drag the samples directly into your DAW. And that's it, a quick guide to Kontakt 8 Player. Now you know how to install it, how to load instruments, use tools like patterns and phrases, and use Leap. For a more detailed overview of everything you need to know about Kontakt 8, make sure you check out our video in the link below. Thanks for watching.